Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBPUSD and we will also share our trading ideas of GBPUSD for intraday trading. But before that, first of all we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we given in yesterday's video. So this is the GBPUSD H1 time frame. These analysis were did in yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. In that video we did this analysis and we said that we will open a sell trade below this support level, and if market will not break this support level, goes up in this supply area, then we will open a sell trade in this supply area. So market come in this supply area, I opened a sell trade. My SL is almost I think 15 pips. Yeah, my SL was almost 15 pips. Market when I enter in market comes in my favor almost 25 pips, 24 pips, but I didn't close my entry because I was pretty sure that market will come below this trend line again, and we can open a huge sell. We can see a huge sell in GBPUSD, but that didn't happen. Market goes up and hit my 15 pip SL. That's not a problem. SL is a part of the game. So let's move this area and talk about today's plan. Okay, so today our areas are the same. If market come in this supply area, this is the H4 time frame supply area. If market come in this supply area, then I will open a sell trade. Otherwise if market break this support level, the same area, then we will open a sell trade. In this area I'm not interested to open any single trade. I will open a sell trade in this supply area. Let's show our arrow here. And otherwise if market break this support level, then I will open a sell trade. So these two trading ideas of GBPUSD for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. On this channel we upload daily live Forex analysis and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBPUSD and JPY for intraday trading. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.